We are in lab 5.5.4 and we are going to configure a remote access VPN. So you work as the IT security administrator for a small corporate network. Occasionally, you and your co-administrators need to access internal resources when you are away from the office. You would like to set up a remote access VPN uses pfSense to allow secure access. So in this lab, your task is to use the pfSense wizard to create and configure an open VPN remote access server using the following guidelines. So we're going to sign in to pfSense using the username and the password provided, then create a new certificate authority. All right, so let's go ahead and start up lab. And now, in case you find this video to be too fast for you, I apologize for that. You can always pause the video and walk at your own pace. Match every move I make, every step I take in this video, and you will surely get this right. So let's just wait for the lab to load so that we can start with the first task. Alright, so this is loaded and then we input the username and password provided for pfSense. So I'll just copy the password provided here. And then I'm going to paste it here. Then I'm going to click sign in. I'll go ahead and click open VPN. Alright, so and then click next. Scroll down and for the descriptive name, so we'll look at the descriptive name provided for us, and it's going to be CompTIA, so we just copy and paste because of time. For the country code, it's going to be GB. And for the state or province, it's going to be Cambridgeshire. So you just copy and paste because of time, but you can always type it in if you choose to. For the city, it's going to be Woodward, so we'll copy and paste. And for the organization, this is going to be, let's see, organization is going to be CompTIA. So we just paste this in, click add new CA. So we scroll down the descriptive name. Let's see, for the second one is going to be CompTIA, so we'll copy and paste. And create new certificate, and interface is going to be 1, and the description, let's say the description given here. For the description here, we just copy this and paste there. So the tunnel network, let's see, for tunnel network IP, copy this and paste, and the local network, let's copy the local network provided here and paste. So scroll down. Let's see concurrent connection. So for the concurrent connection, it's going to be 4. And what is our left with? DNS server 1. DNS server 1. I think we should just copy and paste because of time. Otherwise, you can always type it in yourself if you choose to. Alright, so that is all. We click next. Scroll down and we select firewall rule. Make sure this is ticked, and open VPN rule is checked also, and we click on next. Okay, we click finish and click on edit. And we change this to remote access user authentication, and scroll this down, and then we click on save, and we go to systems, scroll down to user manager and click on add. Now under add interface, we go to username, the username is going to be blindly, so just copy and paste because of time and to avoid any errors or mistake. So we just copy this and paste also because of time and to avoid any typographical error. So we just copy and paste in here. And for the let's confirm the password again. So the full name is going to be Brian Lindley. So we just copy this and we paste in here. So we scroll down and we click on save, and we go to add. We are going to add, let's see, the username, and the username is going to be J Phillips. So you're welcome to copy and paste if you choose to, or you can always type it in. And then for the password, we just copy and paste the password from here. We copy and we paste it here, and paste it here also. And the full name provided is Jacob Phillips, so you just copy and paste. So scroll down and click on save. Alright, so go ahead and score lab. Now if you find this video to be helpful to you, remember to share.
Busy with health challenges, work, or family issues? We help students handle labs, coding, quizzes, discussions, and assignments while you focus on life. Our expert IT tutoring support helps you reduce stress and achieve A+ grades in your tech courses. Message us on WhatsApp now, +234 8122948229.